what's going on? Michael here. Welcome back to a special edition of Technoid. As you guys can see, we got our microphone set up. We are good to go. Right behind me is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2019. As you know, I've been offered to go, and I'm actually kind of excited right now. Don't know what to expect. I mean, obviously we do know what to expect. But welcome everybody. So today episode, we're gonna just cover, I'm gonna break down everything that happens. I'm gonna go in, watch the event, see what we get from this, and then I'll come back out, give my final thoughts and overall. So please stay tuned guys, because we're gonna have an awesome episode today. Don't have much to say. Right there is really where we gotta go. So I'm gonna go check it out and see you guys around. So, as you know, every year for almost 2 years now, they've been doing this event here at the Barclay in my hometown of Brooklyn. And today's no exception. So obviously we're gonna take a look at what to expect, things that we could possibly see, and things that might happen in today's event. So obviously the biggest note is the Galaxy Note 10. Obviously that is going to be the next gen Note series, which is a pretty good phone in my opinion, the Note series as a whole. Although I'm not a big fan of the stylus, it's still no doubt a great phone. The Note 10 looks to take the punch hole design. Every rumors, everything that we've gotten is leading up to this point. For the most part, I expect to see that. I will be looking out for some headphones by AKG. Hopefully we get some AKG headphones. Really don't know what else to expect really besides that. If there are some things going on, it'll definitely be interesting. I will definitely be covering. I will be carrying the tripod with me, so you'll definitely be seeing. But I'm also going to be interacting with some YouTubers, obviously, if I find any, and some fans. Definitely want to get their take and hear what they have to say. So enough about that. So I'm sitting down here with a fan named Mark. Nice to meet you, man.
Hey, nice to meet you. What's going on?
Anyway, so we wanted to talk to you. I had some questions. I'm always interacting with fans. I want to ask you, what are you looking forward to this event today?
I'm looking forward to seeing what this Note 10 is going to do. I know it's going to be a great show. It's an awesome show. I want to see what that S Pen is going to do. I'm an S Pen fan. Samsung always nailed it when it came down to their products. So this is going to be the 10th anniversary for the Note. I've been following the Note line for a very long time, as well as the S line. But my heart is set on what that Note is going to do, and I really believe that Samsung has nailed it once again. So guys, who's out there, who's watching, get ready. You're going to see me with a Note real soon. Stay tuned.
I like that. I like the energy. I like it. I see you're a big Samsung fan. How long you been with Samsung?
About 10 years.
10 years? That's
10
very
years.
good.
Had about every phone that came out with the Note. I was actually going for the Galaxy Fold, but due to situations with the Fold, it was delayed. I was a little hurt, disappointed when they got an S10 Plus, which is a great phone. It's a beautiful phone. So for those who don't have the Note, make sure you get the Galaxy S10 as well. It's also a great look. But if you're a Note and you love your Note, this is the time. Don't waste no time. Get it right now. Get that Note, and it's coming in awesome colors. Can't go wrong, baby. Right. Yours truly, Mark.
Anyway, thank you for your time, man.
Anytime.
Anytime. Everybody, this
good being here live at the Barclay Center, baby. Love is love. Love you.
Take care. We got another fan here from Samsung. What's your name, man? Howard, nice to meet you. I'm Mike.
Nice to meet you, bro.
What are you excited for the event today?
Well, I want to see what the Note 10 is about. You know, I'm not a fan of the two notes. I think it should be one note.
Yes, I agree.
You know, because the whole thing with the making people choose, like we got to choose already with the storage and all that stuff. But definitely looking out for that new Note 10.
One quick question before we go in. Looks like they're going to start setting up. Are you looking forward to any accessories or anything like that at all? Anything that might be happening?
Maybe the new the earbud, the watch. Maybe, I'm definitely looking for the new tab.
All right. I definitely think that's going to be interesting. Anyway, thank you for taking your time, man.
Bro. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Event 2019. This is amazing. How you doing? Just showing you guys what it's like. About to go through. So let's go right in. This is really, really awesome, guys. Being a small YouTuber and getting a chance to go to this big event actually means really, really much. Like a lot. So let's go inside and we'll take a look and see what we've got. I'm sorry.
Go on, go on.
So this is really awesome. Going into this hall, and now you can see the event screen and everything. Now we'll find out where to sit. So this is the event. Let's go down. Lower the better people. Hi. So I'm at the floor. Now I'm at a see where I can sit. I'm gonna try to get I don't know where to go, but I'm gonna try my best.
Do what you can.
This is the whole building. This is awesome.
Say hi to the new Bixby, Samsung's intelligent assistant. Hi, Bixby. What's on the schedule this afternoon? You have one event.
Okay, so I am in the front of this show. I'm right in front, so you guys will be able to see what I see. I'm not gonna record the show. I'm only gonna just be taking pictures, and I'm just gonna enjoy the show. I can't believe I got this far up. So, hey, big YouTuber, small guy. But anyway, I'll be covering after the show is over. I'll check out the experience, check out everything. This is pretty amazing. I can't believe I'm here right now. So let's see what happens. All right, just one last thing before the event starts. I just want to let you guys know that after this, I will be checking out, see if I can get my hands on a Note 10 Plus or anything. I hope you guys can hear me anyway. I got the microphone right here. But I won't be recording the event. I'll just show what happens after. This will be a long video. This is a vlog. I'll be recapping the whole event, the breakdown later. This is just my experience here. I hope you guys are enjoying it.
All right, so Unpacked is just finished. The event's just completed. Now we're going to the experience. Check it out. See what. Go into the experience. We're gonna check it out now. Get some nice footage. So that was a pretty good event. I'm a little confused about the pricing, but honestly, they give you a lot of choices, and it's definitely worth some money. So now we're just gonna have to figure out which is the right device for you. Enough of that said. So this is the Galaxy Note 10, regular size. This is pretty cool. I'm actually kind of shocked holding this thing. This is really cool. No headphone jack as expected, but maybe there's some trade-off. This looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Thank you, man. So this is the Galaxy Note 10. I can't believe I'm actually holding this in my hand right now. So this is the regular size, and this is the plus size. So this is the red, and this is the acrylic or whatever color. Here are the two variants. I gotta tell you, I am actually digging this one. This one's not bad, but maybe a little too big. This is like the perfect size for me. It's a nice size. There is, again, no headphone jack, but they say there is gonna be some makeup with the headphones in the box and probably all the features. But if you take a look at closely, you can see the size differences. I'm actually digging the red, so this might be my new Galaxy. But yeah, I like the look of it. I like how it feels in the hand. Nice and light. Cameras I'll test out later, but guys, I can't believe I'm holding on to these things. This is amazing. So again, Note 10, getting a better idea. This is the black. I'm a little shocked about the headphone though, but honestly, this form factor you're paying for, I like this. It's really nice. I like this form factor. And the case, and it comes for the cases.
Go to the right.
Can I try this real fast? Okay. So you can see here the cases fit on nicely on this, nice and snug. Put it on 1, 2. Nice leather case, snaps on. The bottom is nice exposed. I really like this. I like what I'm seeing so far.
Yep, so he does your calories, steps, everything fitness, up to 39 plus more workouts.
So I'm almost done here. I just gotta say, Samsung has some good ass food. Honestly, that was pretty good tasting food. I'm gonna get my final thoughts as soon as we get outside, but it is raining, so I'm gonna have to find a good spot to do this. It's very crowded in here, guys, but this was an amazing experience so far. I really liked what I saw. All right, guys, so I don't know if you're gonna hear me well, because it is still loud. We got a lot of stuff going on, but I'm gonna wrap the video up now because it is raining outside, so I can't go outside and film. But final thoughts, guys, this was an amazing event. Can't believe I got to saw the Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, and Note 10 Plus 5G. I met a lot of nice people. They were very nice. So I want to say thank you to all those I met. Anybody in the video, shout out to you guys. You are awesome. Shout out to everybody that made this event possible. Thank you to Samsung for allowing me to come. They actually ended up giving me this nice little pouch as a thank you. But the thank you should be to you, Samsung. Thank you for having me. And I hope to get to these again. Thank you to everybody that watched this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you dislike the video, hit the dislike button. Again, I will be posting the recap and full overall. This is just my experience at Samsung Unpacked. So I'm going to do it. Thanks for watching, and peace!
Built an empire of